I come decorated in the patterns of the old, in the proverbial wisdom of my ancestors. I, a seeker, I, a messenger, and I, the message. We who cracked the mystery of how the river found its way into the bellies of the coconut to the heavens. We were queens, defenders of our lands, before history was thwarted to fit into the pages of the new narratives. Afamefula of the Enugu coal mine and Nwanyị of the Oloko women riot wouldn't have existed today, for we have been bruised and broken, as do the land suffer. And weep, for she yearns to be weeded and nurtured to flourish. Her children no longer have respect for her. Nsani is now the new norm. We are daughters of Ani. Once upon a time, a finger raised on a daughter provoked the community to rise, for a sacrilege has been committed. But now, the communities take pride in trampling on their daughters, for they have been made to believe that their daughters are weak and fragile and less to participate in community development. Omem omonwea. For if only they know, Ogunangba, Nwoke si Nwanyị si, Nwoke emeghị, Nwanyị emeghị, Nwoke Nwanyị anaghị eme taa, Nwanyị bụ ife, Nwanyị bụ mmụọ ala. I came from the land of queens and kings, for my ancestors had the philosophy of duality. For there is femininity in masculinity and masculinity in femininity. My ancestors knew that. When they said, Nwoke di na Nwanyị, Nwanyị di na Nwoke, ihe kwuru, ihe akwudobe ya, for what is and what is not are one. Anyu mitu gbogoro, ugbogoro amita anyu. Ụmụọfịa kwanyere agbala dị na Chielo ugwu, eze Nwanyị ugwu na ndịda. Kedu ka mmiri si wee baa n'opi ụgbọgụrụ? Ọ na-abụ enwe machariwa, ọ dị ka ukwu osisi anọghị ya nso, ọ ga-emenwu ya, ọ tụrụ kpọkpọ, ejikwanụ ike ya atụkpọ osisi. Anyụ mitu ụgbọgụrụ amịta anyụ.